Three dark sides of stock market you have to know, otherwise you might fall into those. There are so many agencies, WhatsApp group, Telegram group that tells you guaranteed stock market tips, and they charge money for those tips and promise you about guaranteed returns. And so many people who don't know much about stock market joins them. Now let's see how the scam works. Remember, there is not only you in that group or agency, not tens and hundreds of people, but lakhs of people. It could be 1, 2 or 5 or even millions of people. Now let's suppose there are 1 lakh people in that group. They divide this 1 lakh people into 2 dividends of 50,000. One for short position and one for long position. Now they tell group A to sell and group B to buy. Now there will be profit of only one group and the loss of the other one. So what they do? They block and delete the numbers of the people who got lost. Now 50,000 people are remaining. They again repeat the step. Make 2 groups C and D of 25,000 people. Tell one to buy and one to sell. Again one gets profit and one gets loss. And they block the numbers of the group who made loss. They repeat this 3 to 4 times. And remember, they will always choose penny stocks or options because they are easy to move with less people. They will never choose future stocks. Now let's suppose there are 12,500 people remaining out of 1 lakh. Now they charge you more money for more tips, like 50,000, 1 lakh and more. And the sad reality is people give money because they think the tips work every single time. So they take money and gives tips for some time, and after some time blocks the number of all people. Now there is lot of loss of the people, but do you know how much money did the scammers made? If we take 12,500 people who gave 50,000, the total amount that the scammers get is 62 crore 50 lakh rupees. Imagine you are a trader and there is a X company. No, not that X company, XYZ company. I hope it is not a real company. You will never know. So the price of the company is going higher and higher and there have been so much hype for it. But one day, you and millions of traders like you bought a stock for long position and the market crashes. So what will be your reaction? You will get mad, right? But what if I told you, when all these traders took long position, I knew it was gonna crash. And I took short position at the time you bought. Then what will be your reaction? That I will leave it on you. But this happens so many times. And it is called insider trading. Insider trading is basically if anyone has a secret information about XYZ company, which is not available in the market for people like you and me, then it will be unfair advantage for the person. And that is very illegal. So how does it work? Insider information comes if a person is working on a high post in a XYZ company, or you are the owner of the company and you tell your friends secret information. There have been so many real life incidents. One of them is Raj Ratnanan and Rajat Gupta's. So in 2008, Warren Buffett made a deal of investing in Goldman Sachs, but this information was not out yet. But as Rajat Gupta was board of director, he shared that information with Raj Ratnanan and he bought 175 shares of Goldman Sachs and made $17 million profit. But after investigation, they got caught. Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, sees whether all the companies are giving correct information or a company is overvalued, etc. to prevent insider trading. Do you know how Harshad Mehta did the 1992 scam? He used to take thousands of crores from banks and bought high quantity of stocks. He made ACC grow from 100 to 9,000. He manipulated the stocks. Let's see how stock market manipulation works. There can be 2 ways. First, companies' fundamentals. Means they hide their losses or show more profit or make related party transaction. Means they make money transaction with their family or friends. And if the fundamentals are strong, the value of the company will become high. And second manipulation technique is pump and dump. The first way of pump and dump is by volume control. in that institutional pumping is done. Means big institution buy or sell stocks in a bulk and move the stock's price. And second, retail pumping is also done. Means people like me and you suddenly buy or sell a particular stock by paid media. Any big person can give money to news channels or influencers to buy or sell a particular stock, and people listen and assume that it's genuine and take position according to that. And the most easy way is by social media. Make WhatsApp group, Instagram group and spam to take buy or sell position without any confirmation. So these were the dark sides of stock market. But why am I telling you this? My motive is not to tell you that don't do stock market, but to make you aware of these scams and manipulation. Before taking any position, make research, or if you can't, then invest in mutual funds like our today's sponsor Fraction Fourth. Or if you don't trust them, then you can get classes from them. More info in description.